Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and you're not already a family member, consider subscribing and following me over on Instagram at House of Angelique as well. I share home decor tips, tricks, and low budget, small space content. Today we're going to take a tour of my living room because I just decorated for fall and Halloween. So I wanted to show you what I've done for spooky season this year. I'm going to share where I got most of the furniture from because I have a lot of frequently asked questions about a specific piece in my living room, and I will definitely share a link to it. So let me show you what I've done for fall this year. So everyone on Instagram asks me about this cabinet. They think it's from Restoration Hardware or CB2 West Elm. It's from Ikea. It is a Ikea furniture hack. I just simply did not use the handles that came with the cabinet and decided to order my own, which I will link down below. And it just gives it a more elevated style and it sets it apart like nobody else has my cabinet and handle combination unless I suggested it to you already. This cabinet is hard to find now that I've posted it on my Instagram. I am waiting patiently, Ikea, for you to get the black brimless cabinet back in stock so that I can have a second one, because I bought one thinking that I only wanted one, but now I really want the symmetry. So I need a second cabinet. Please, Ikea, get the black brimless cabinet back in stock. Most of the pillow covers you're seeing on the couch are from Ikea as well. I love their Sanella like velvet line, and I just absolutely love like the soft texture of their velvet pillow covers, and to know that I can get a matching curtain, you know, just makes me happy. My couch and Loveseat are both Kivik from Ikea. I chose these because we have a little one and we have dogs, so we can wash our couch covers. We wash them quarterly. The accent chair is from Wayfair. I did paint the bottom black. I believe it was a natural wood tone before I painted it. I really hope you enjoyed this living room tour. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and follow me on Instagram at House of Angelique. Till next time, guys.